Welcome to Unit G6 at Lifts West Condominiums, located at 201 West Main Street in Red River, New Mexico. This one-bedroom, one-bath condo offers a comfortable and low-maintenance way to enjoy Red River year-round, whether you're looking for a personal getaway, weekend retreat, or rental opportunity. Unit G6 is located in the Mountain Building at Lifts West and features a functional layout with an open living area, a separate bedroom, and a full bathroom. The living space is designed to be practical and inviting, making it easy to relax after a day of skiing, hiking, or exploring town. The separate bedroom provides a quiet and comfortable retreat, ideal for owners and guests alike. The full bathroom is conveniently located and well suited for everyday use or short-term stays. Situated next to Brandenburg Park, this unit offers excellent walkability to restaurants, shops, festivals, and community events along Main Street. In the winter, the Red River ski area is just minutes away, while summer brings easy access to nearby hiking trails and outdoor recreation. Lifts West is a well-established condominium community known for its straightforward ownership and consistent appeal. Offered at $147,000, Unit G6 provides an affordable opportunity to own property in one of Red River's most convenient and desirable locations. Call us today at Calhoun Real Estate for more details.